The A320 is equipped with 3 separate but identical air data inertial reference units. The purpose of the Air Data Inertial Reference System, ADIRS, is to provide air data and inertial information to the EFIS system, the FMGC, and other users. Each ADIRS combines an Air Data Reference Computer, or ADR, and a Laser Gyro Inertial Reference System, or IR. The ADR and IR systems of each ADIRS operate independently, and failure of one system will not cause failure of the other. The ADR receives information from aircraft probes and sensors. The ADR part provides various air data to the flight management and guidance computers, FMGCs, and other users. The air data provided include Mach, airspeed, temperature, overspeed warnings, barometric altitude, and angle of attack. The IR part provides inertial data to the FMGC, EFIS, and other users. The inertial data provided include track, heading, acceleration, flight path vector, airplane position, ground speed, and attitude. The 3 ADIRS are controlled through the ADIRS panel, located on the overhead panel. Their initialization is done through the 2 MCDUs located on the pedestal. Independent data is supplied by each ADIRS. Let's see an example of this. In the EFIS system, ADIRS 1 supplies the captain's instruments, and ADIRS 2 supplies the first officer's instruments. ADIRS 3 is available as a standby to either EFIS system via the switching panel. Now let's look at the ADIRS control display unit. The panel is divided into 2 parts, the upper section for the IR and the lower section for the ADR. The 3 rotary mode selectors have control over both the IR and the ADR. The controls and indicators for the individual ADIRS are grouped and arranged in the order of 1, 3, and 2. Each ADIRS has an associated IRS rotary mode selector. In the off position, the ADIRS is not energized, so ADR and IR data are not available. The 3 ADR switches normally remain on, but they can be selected off in response to ECAM procedures. In the nav position, the ADIRS are energized. The nav position is the normal mode of operation, and full inertial data is provided to the aircraft systems. The on-battery light illuminates to inform the crew that the ADIRS system is being powered by aircraft battery only. The light also illuminates for a few seconds at the beginning of a full alignment as a test of the battery circuit. Each inertial reference unit has an associated indicator. The align light illuminates steady white when the respective IRU is operating normally in align sequence mode. The align light flashes white if there is an IRU alignment fault, no present position entry has been made after 10 minutes, the difference between the position at shutdown and the entered position exceeds 1 degree of latitude or longitude. The aircraft is moved during alignment. Present position information for ADIRS alignment is normally entered via the initialization page of the MCDU. This method will be explained in the normal operation module. The system selector enables the crew to switch the display off or select one of the three ADIRS for display. We will select System 3. The window now displays the present position information for ADIRS 3, PPOS. The type of information displayed is selected using the Data Selector. The wind position indicates the true wind direction and speed as determined by the system selected. The HDG, or heading position, displays the true heading. If heading is selected during IRS alignment, the time remaining until alignment is complete is displayed. This is shown by a TTN, time to nav, indication. Currently, the display is showing that there are 10 minutes remaining until the alignment is complete. The status position displays IRU status and guidance to the pilot. For example, the current display, Enter PPOS, is requesting entry of present position. The track and ground speed position indicates the true track and ground speed of the aircraft. The test position tests the lights on the keyboard and produces a test pattern in the main display, as shown. The keyboard is a standby facility, allowing, for example, entry of present heading for an IR that has failed in the nav mode, but is usable in the attitude mode. The ATT position is an IR mode, providing only heading and attitude information in case of loss of navigation capability.